love gymnasiums, but we've gone an extra mile, and nowadays there's a very great trend of even being in Mumbai, a sauna. Sauna is something that makes you lose weight. And there's a trend that if you sit in a sauna for half an hour, it's better than a steam. So we have put the sauna and the steam into the gymnasium as a, because this is something that most buildings don't have. So I said, no, let's do this because there's something. We have a little hair salon. We have a hair salon, which is a very great asset for all ladies and men, if I might add. And I think that we have a banquet. We have a lovely party room and a banquet. And again, buildings don't really have that kind of, aspect of additional space. We have a beautiful terrace. Our terrace is multi-purpose because we've got different zones in the terrace that really add value to the soul. You know, there's a soulful living aspect. There's this yoga, there's this outdoor yoga, there's this amazing zone where you can take a space with your family and have a barbecue and invite a chef and, do a whole, outdoor, of course, maybe in the December months or the January months. So I think that we've tried very intelligently to put together, and also emotionally, to put together activities that families would like to do together and would, enjoy having in their building. So I think that is, we have a business center, a beautiful business center. So I think that all these come together and definitely is a huge plus because in all the buildings that we do have in neighboring us, there are very few that really go into the details of what they want to kind of put as the amenities, you know?
Vishal, would you like to add on this?
So if I may add, the approach was not that we didn't start with a checklist that, hey, let's put these amenities in place. It started with her question that what do the residents actually require in the building? She told me, Vishal, let's not just follow a standard template or a checklist of amenities. Let's really think through this. What is it that they are actually going to use, and then actually provide that. So we've skipped the swimming pool because we believe that our customer here would be part of a club somewhere. He or she would be, more comfortable swimming in a pool of a club rather than, using the building pool. But then we put a salon, like she mentioned, which is such an important thing. Every time you want to step out, men and women these days want to, just do a quick hairdo before you really go out somewhere. You really don't want to step into a commercial salon just for a bit. So these little things were, discussed in depth, and then she's planned the space, and then she's planned the aesthetics and the design, the finishes, the functionality, all of it in great detail.
Suzanne, how do you balance aesthetics, right, along with durability? Because luxury often looks great in brochures, but real estate, involves a lot of wear and tear, especially in common areas, high-use areas like lobbies.
Yes.
So how do you kind of balance between the aesthetics and durability?
So I think that it's, like I said before, it's very important the materials that you use are authentic and not artificial. Like try to use the material that would last longer, and the wear and tear would be less in the common areas. So there's a whole kind of big, I wouldn't want to bore you with that, but there are a lot of things that you keep in mind when you're designing, and you know that these are the common areas, so you know that the wear and tear and the, even being in Mumbai and having such a close, you're next to the coast, so there's a corrosion and there's that whole thing of the salt in the air. So you have to, like what materials you use on the terrace, they'll have to be completely natural and something that'll sustain and not get, spoilt or, kind of corroded. So I think that, of course, as a designer and having Nishta and Vishal, both are architects, as you know. They are very clear about using good material, I must tell you, more than even anybody I know. So, so it's a good combined effort, and we have a huge team of our design team within us. We, now when we start building, we're going to do a lot of sampling, and we're going to kind of create a lot of products from scratch. So of course, it's a process. Nothing in one day. Rome wasn't built in one day.
Sure.
And Stella is going to be built more beautiful than Rome.
I'm very, very sure. Suzanne, if you had the opportunity of designing a 5,000 square foot home here for a resident, given a total free hand, right? How would you want to design a 5,000 square foot home in Stella?
Well, that is completely upon the person the family who would like to, make me do that. And there's a whole list of questions for that to answer, so I cannot answer that. But definitely, I would love to extend the design philosophy that we do have in the building, but definitely make it more special in the intimate way for that particular end user. That's very important, to make them feel more special. So, of course, whichever project that we do eventually get to do in the interiors, I will invite you for tea after we're done.
Would love to. Suzanne, what was one, I'm sure there were many, but this one great thing, collaborating with Platinum as a team, from Vishal to Nishtha to Gurminder, what did you really enjoy, working with them on?
I think there are multiple things that I really have enjoyed working with them on. One is I think from both sides, from our side and from their side, there's a very strong, passionate drive, to make things better than just normal. Like to go the extra mile to create that particular room or that particular space. And I think that that was one thing that I immediately recognized, that they were very, very kind of detailed and particular about a lot of aspects of the design. And that was my sync when I really felt like, oh my God, I'm so happy that we're at sync.
Right.
I think the second thing was the commitment and the fast speed at what we have worked and finished our first package. I think because of our common, nature of understanding and respect and mutual admiration for each other, this project is going faster, because we know that there is a deadline to commit to. So there is a very strong, kind of commitment, sense of commitment. So I think that these two aspects, when you have passion and commitment, you can't go wrong. Yeah.
By the way, huge congratulations on the charcoal projects. You guys acquired a second retail store in Hyderabad, which is really massive.
Thank you.
So huge congratulations on that. And if you could just walk us through very briefly with what your vision is, your long-term vision with the charcoal project as well.
Thank you so much. My third baby, like I call it, my third child is the charcoal project. It is now 15 years old, and we are, the second store is in Hyderabad. It's a 30,000 square feet store.
Massive.
It has multi-levels of product that we have completely made and produced as collectibles. We do not produce, multiple products of one particular design, because we do not want the design to get very common. So
Right.
we keep changing the story, the design story, we keep changing it. So I think that the whole idea of Charcoal Project is there's one thing that I kept in my head is dare to dream. That's my philosophy.
Right.
So as a designer, we have a lot of restrictions when our craftsmanship or with our restrictions of materials, but if you go the extra mile and you keep doing your research and your development, you can dare to dream a little more. So I think that was the basic idea behind the Charcoal Project, and we're in our 16th year.
That is really commendable, and wishing you all the luck for your charcoal
Thank you.
project.
Thank you.
Vishal, Bandra Khar Santa Cruz belt is extremely competitive, right? How can you quickly tell me where do you expect the prices to go from here in the next 5 years? Purely from a developer lens, and also how has how is the luxury buyer today? How have the preferences and the wants and the needs changed over the last 5 years?
So I feel the customer or the home buyer has really evolved in the last 5 years. The customer has traveled a lot globally. That's one. The other point is, we've come out of COVID. People have realized the importance of home, the importance of having large spaces to live in, importance of having multi-purpose rooms where one can sit, sleep, work, study, do your video conference meetings. So the requirements and the expectations from a house have undergone a drastic change. Coming to a question of the Bandra Khar Santa Cruz market, I think this is one area in the western suburbs of Mumbai which has performed consistently, across all kinds of market cycles. As I told you, I've born and I've been brought up here, so I understand this area quite well. You would have seen that since the relaxation of the CRZ norms, a lot of sea-facing properties have opened up for development. And we have all witnessing prices as high as £1.5 lakh, 150,000 rupees a square foot for sea-facing properties. So Mayank, when something like that happens, what happens is areas which are not absolutely sea-facing but have got good sea views, they are situated in good established tranquil neighborhoods like Platinum Stellar, obviously would also start catching up with that kind of a pricing. Very easily I see that the pricing for this particular area, which is currently in the range of 60 to 70,000 rupees a square foot, is likely to touch 1 lakh rupees a square foot in the next couple of years.
Right. So that makes it not only a good end-use option, but also a good investment option because there's still room to grow.
Yes, we look at Platinum Stellar as something which will, sort of become like a generational wealth, A person or a family buying it right now is obviously going to enjoy the beautiful design and the space in the building, but it is also going to become like a heirloom property, going forward in future.
Right. What I find really interesting in today's luxury market, it's not just about the product today, it's also about the services and the experience that a customer today wants to feel. And of course, that brings me to my next question, Suzanne. You believe a lot in the experience and emotion, right? How would you, if you had to describe the experience of living in Stellar in one line, what would it be?
I think the experience of living in Stella would be absolutely extraordinary. It would definitely be wholesome. It would feel unique. It would feel a space where a family and a young couple all could kind of start off and keep that home as part of their home that they probably, hand over to their young kid. You know what I mean? So it's a classic. It's got a classic, location. This location is going to always be one of the most prime locations. And it's also going to have the design, the philosophy behind this building. We want it to feel like one of the most special properties in all of this part. Yeah.
Right. Thank you so much, guys. Now, Platinum Stellar definitely feels like a project where design isn't just an addition, but I feel this is one of those few projects where design, development, and construction have all come together, and the subset of it is Platinum Stellar. Right. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you, Suzanne. Thank you, Vishal, for having me here as well, and wishing you all the success.
Thank
for
you.
not only, Platinum Stella, but also the charcoal project.
Thank you so
You've been
much.
wonderful. Thank you so
Thank
much,
you, Mayan.
Vishal.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. And thank you, everyone, all of you all, for making this evening great. Thank you, guys.
A round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. That was the Designers Hour, and what spectacular insights that we got. And we definitely can't wait to experience Platinum Stella, the reflection of Suzanne Khan. Amazing. Thank you so much once again. Can I please have the flowers for the real flower sitting in the center? Small token of appreciation. Nishta ma'am joining in. Round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. A huge thanks to Suzanne Khan. And we are so delighted that we have her as a part of the Platinum Corp Parivar. Amazing. Now requesting Vishal sir to please felicitate Mayank for being Mayank Agrawal, the best moderator. Ladies and gentlemen, a round of applause. The team of leaders together. That was quite an impactful session where we got to know detail about Platinum Stella, absolutely by the leading lady. Ladies and gentlemen, absolutely. Joined us here. Here we go. The picture perfect moment of the three leaders. Super. Yes. So media, you got any questions? We have Vishal sir.
Approach Suzanne primarily because of her design sensibilities, and as I said, that we were embarking on a path where we were trying to do something very different, and we really needed a strong design voice with us to sort of show us the way and be like a guide rail. We wanted to do what is right for the project. We didn't really want to get deviated, assuming certain things as developers. So we brought in to sort of keep a check on whether whatever we are doing is whether right or wrong. That's the primary reason.
That Stella is going to be unique from other properties is, according to me, the design, the aesthetic of the design that we are trying to create. There is a 5-point vision that we've kept for making sure that it's not only something that you see, but it is something that you feel, that you even, what you hear, what you kind of smell. It's almost a 5-sense feeling that you will feel when you enter Stella. And that is something unique. Yeah.
Good evening, Suzanne. Over here, Raju
Hello,
Achmelia
hello, how are you?
from Media Group. I would like to ask you something in our, Matrubhasha Hindi mein. Ki this pocket of Santa Cruz is already a place where, like many developers are trying to, outgo each other, like in terms of giving amenities, in terms of giving facilities.
Sure.
In terms of giving luxurious comfort levels to the customers. So what is different which you are planning to, give for Stellar over here?
So like I said, I think that the main thing is that right now, when the design comes towards, when you see it, you'll understand what is different. I can't explain it on a conversation, but it is a 5-sense design where when you enter the property, you will feel and see and smell and hear the whole being of the person. So like I said before, luxury is not only what you see, it's how it makes you feel when you enter a property. And with Stella, we want the end person who enters the property to feel in a certain way. And I think that that'll be what we will have different from other people. Yeah.
Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah.
Good evening, Nishtha ma'am. Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you.
So now we don't have to think anything when Suzanne is there on the board. So, Nishtha, I just wanted to ask you how it was difficult for you to work with another designer since you're also an architect.
So, thank you for the question. I've already had this experience because my husband is also an architect.
Yeah,
so,
he's also an architect,
working
yeah.
so many years of us, debating and discussing ideas, and many times, our thoughts are extremes. So that's why we thought this project, let's get a fresh sort of set of ideas and from a more neutral sort of a perspective.
Yeah.
And I think it was wonderful working with her because she brings to the table a lot of international experience and exposure and great ideas. It makes us also rethink because, working for so many years, I think after a point, I think you get very stagnant with your own set of ideas. So we got a very nice, fresh take on things. So that was wonderful.
Yeah, with the Suzanne, it will be outstanding project of this location.
Thank
Definitely.
you. Thank you. Thank you.
All right, we can take
Yes.
one last question if you all have any.
Done.
Yeah?
Thank you. Thank you, everybody, for being so patient and lovely.
Thank you so much. But Suzanne, we have a surprise for you. I would want you to please be seated. Take a seat there and have a look on the screen. A small surprise about somebody really special to us, special to Platinum Corp, explaining about Platinum Stella. So it would be truly an honor if you could be seated there. Meanwhile, the management team, could you please...
Hi Susan, hi Michelle. First of all, it's so great to have you both. It'll be amazing as always. How exciting is it for you to be here?
Very, very exciting. We've worked very hard to create the design package for Stella, and like you've been seeing and you've been hearing us talk, it's a product of a lot of love and persistence and perseverance and a lot of work that has been put into it. So very excited to be in this position today to launch it, and we're more excited to actually execute it. Yeah.
Vishal sir, how is it to have such a diva with you? I mean, she's a fashion icon herself, and having her on board. How is it today? I mean, look at her, all dressed up ready
Absolutely.
and excited for it.
Actually, we were really, really conscious when we approached her, and we were not sure if she was going to say yes.
Yes.
But I think she saw the sincerity as she was mentioning, and we both have a shared vision of doing a great product, making a building which is led by design. And I think once we saw each other's vision, after that she decided to work with us, and it's been a great honor working with us. It's been a great learning experience for me and my wife Nishtha, and we are really, really thankful to her.
And we are mutually thankful at Charcoal Project because I think that when two synergies come together of very real, authentic, creative minds,
Correct.
then good things happen.
Yes.
So I'm very happy that the Stella, our Stella project will get that benefit of
Right,
this,
right.
alliance.
Yes, and having you on board is the best.
Thank you so much.
Rajesh sir, how is it to be here with Stella today? We saw it, हमने पूरा press conference देखा.
जी.
How exciting is it for you to be here?
Well, it's absolutely exciting. As I did say that I'm a small part of it. I've been involved with Stella. It is so exciting कि मैं पैसे जमा कर रहा हूँ ताकि मैं एक फ्लैट यहाँ खरीद सकूँ eventually. So आज मेरे को मतलब एक पर्पस मिल गया है कि I should just start collecting the money so that one day when it gets completed, I have an apartment in Platinum Stella.
And how was it having Suzanne together on board? I mean, you guys have
Yeah,
been
so
working
I mean,
together on
we
this.
worked earlier also.
Yes.
I mean, I have a company, and
Yes.
we worked earlier as well. But this was a perfect match, as they say, na? Made for each other kind of a thing, because the idea was art deco, and there could not have been anybody better than Suzanne Khan to do that. And Vishal sir, the entire team felt the same way, and the energies synergized, and here you are, you can see the result. You've seen the result and how wonderfully it has come out. Yeah. और मुझे एक लगता है कि यहाँ पे एक it'll be a landmark building out here in this area. Yes. जी 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 जी.
सर क्या कुछ प्रोजेक्ट्स आपके आने वाले हैं? वेरी गुड.
जी मतलब अभी अपनी मर्जी के हिसाब से थोड़ा कम काम कर रहा हूँ मैं, और क्योंकि अभी जिस किस्म का काम मैं हर जगह कह रहा हूँ, बार बार बोलूँगा, मेरे पास बहुत वक्त है एक्टिंग के लिए, मुझे काम चाहिए तो, लेकिन सिर्फ ये एक कंडीशन है कि जो काम मैं चाहता हूँ वो चाहिए, जो मुझे मिल रहा है उससे अलग चाहिए। तो इसलिए मैंने थोड़ा सा एक ब्रेक लेके रखा हुआ है, और पर मिलेगा। देखिए सर, अभी देखिए, आप देखिए राकेश बेदी साहब का, देखिए, है ना, तो होगा, सबका होगा।
सर जैसे कि आपने कहा कि जो कैरेक्टर आपको चाहिए वो आपको थोड़ा ढूंढना पड़ रहा है
जी।
तो कुछ ऐसे बकेट लिस्ट में कैरेक्टर होंगे जिसके लिए आप
बहुत सारे हैं, वो बकेट लिस्ट खत्म ही नहीं होगी, शाम से देर रात हो जाएगी यहाँ पे। बट व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज कि जिस किरदारों में मुझे देखा है, यू नो, आई वांट समथिंग डिफरेंट देन दैट नाउ, लाइक आई मीन एंडेवर वो है, इसलिए थोड़ा सा एक ब्रेक ले लिया है, थोड़ा सा समय ले लिया है, और थोड़ा सा सब्र बांध लिया है। देखते हैं क्या होता है। जब तक तो हमारी कंपनी मेरी है, काम चल ही रहा है, जब तक वॉइसिंग है, आवाज़ का वॉइसिंग जो चलती है वो चल ही रही है, तो कोई ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई नहीं, मतलब एक्टिंग करनी ही पड़े। जी,
और कोई सवाल?
थैंक
Thank you so much, sir.